This is northbound Dundee at the entrance to eastbound I-90. Vehicle does not stop for the officer. Once on I-90, the officer terminates his attempt to stop the vehicle. The next time officer sees the vehicle is on westbound I-90 on the shoulder.
Ten 4, Cynthia's still in here. Hey, she's reaching, putting something away. I can't tell what she's doing. She's got a bag in her hands. What's that? Yeah? Cynthia, open up the door now! Open up the door! Open up the door! Cynthia, you need to open the door. I can't hear you. Still can't hear you. It's really loud out here. What? Cynthia, don't make this any harder on yourself. Just open the door. Cynthia, you almost done with that cigarette? All right. One or two, she's trying to pull away.
Is it just one occupant?
What's that?
Just one occupant?
Yeah.
She got the knife on the hip?
One on her right hand.
All right.
Yeah.
Is the vehicle off yet?
What's that?
Her vehicle still on?
No, yeah, it's still on. She just tried pulling away. She literally just moved.
All right. Hey, do you guys got enough to do like a rolling roadblock? Because she could just swerve in at any time. Do you guys got enough to do like a rolling roadblock here to block this off? Because if she goes hard and the semi's coming, she's going to get slammed.
I'm going to see if we have any.
Whose squad is this? Cynthia, this is the Elgin Police Department. You're under arrest. Turn your car off and step out of the vehicle. Cynthia, you are under arrest. This is the Elgin Police Department. Turn off your vehicle and step out of the vehicle.
19.
We got some extra squads who might be able to help.
We have state out here with us. We have the left lane for westbound 90 with a directional line to shut it down. The vehicle is stopped. We were giving commands for her to exit the vehicle.
Sorry, I told them they're getting some more trucks trying to block down this whole lane so she doesn't go in front. So
Vehicle's front driver's side and rear passenger tires are gone. It's just onto a rim.
I'm 10-4. Well, where you guys at? Are you eastbound or westbound? I'm here about the same here. Or you back
We
location?
made contact a couple of times.
We're westbound right in front of mile marker 57. We're westbound 90. If you get on 25 eastbound, you're going to have to go to the first turnaround at Beverly.
So the eastbound and then at west?
Yeah.
Cynthia, this is the Elgin Police Department. You are under arrest. Exit your vehicle with your hands up.
What's that? Yeah, knife's on her right hip on the seat. Last time we saw it. That was about 50 feet ago, though.
Duffy, you got the 40? Some pepper ball. We got to take her into custody if she comes back out.
Cynthia, this is the Elgin Police Department. You are under arrest. Exit your vehicle with your hands up.
Williamson's behind her. Lighting a cigarette?
Yeah, she just lit
That's
another
it.
cigarette.
916 switch it to.
What's the knife look like?
It's a steak knife.
Just a steak knife?
Yeah.
Nothing else? I saw drug paraphernalia.
That's all I saw. A lot of drug paraphernalia. She, there's some white powdery substance on her left hand that she's probably, I'm assuming, crack trying to hide. She's actually stuffing the crack pipe when we walked up to her the second time out here with Tour Boy.
What's it?
Suicidal. She was in a therapy session and she started to have active auditory hallucinations and suicidal thoughts. There were no things.
Hey guys, we're gonna move up. We're gonna try and talk with her on this side, all right? You guys can just hang out back here. No, you can just stay back here, boy.
Trying to put in drive.
She's on.
In drive.
That's all right.
But,
Thank you.
we need to get the rest of the westbound lane shut off.
You want them all shut down?
Yeah, she's got a history of suicidal. We don't want her pulling out.
Yep. Lock them all.
Guys.
Going again?
Reverse.
Hey, watch yourselves.
I'll try to see if I can reach, if she's got maybe a cell phone with her or something like that. If we got a cell phone number for her. See if I can talk to her. They're closing down eastbound 90, so we probably just hopefully got a
You're shut down eastbound 90?
eastbound, yeah. So that again, we don't get the drunk who comes in and crashes into all of us watching this or something.
Shut down in like a few minutes, and then we'll try to approach her again after this is all shut down.
Okay, I just got the text of possibly phone numbers for him.
All right, yeah, just wait, and then after it's all shut down, I'll just yell over to you, or I'll hit you up on the air, and then you guys can end up approaching again. Just, we'll, you know, We're just gonna slow play it.
We're not gonna.
No, we're not gonna go up.
Put anyone in. Yeah,
We're
'cause
not
she's
gonna
gonna
jump over the.
splash.
Well, we're not gonna jump over the side and then have her smash an officer or anything like that. We're just gonna go up and talk with her, see if we can get her out. If this lasts long, I talked to Flurry. We might be bringing up the armor to pin her in, and then work on it that way. So.
Okay.
If
We're gonna
she
wait
if she
until.
walks back too, just make sure we get me and one other and Garcia. So us three will stay on this side for cover, and then you guys be the hands team on the opposite side.
Right. We'll try and get her back, figure 30 feet or so, and then try and get her proned out before we approach.
Yep. Sounds good. If she comes out with the knife in her hand, coming towards us with the knife. Okay.
Yeah, we'll try to get her to stop. Worst comes to worst, we have the 40 and we have the barrier, which is great.
And then remembering if she's got the knife to herself and she's taking herself hostage, she wants to hurt herself.
All right.
Okay? So at that point we're not going to end it for her.
No.
Okay. So,
Taser wouldn't be a good idea if you got the knife with it.
and that's where we have a pepper ball. Go ahead.
Okay, why don't you start making the phone calls?
10-4. $918 Elgin.
918.
Make a note. Phone call to 9379, straight to voicemail. 918 Elgin.
918.
Make another note, 7284, continuous ring.
10-4, 7284, continuous ring.
We're hoping that one of these phone numbers works for her. First one goes straight to voicemail. This is the second one, just a continuous ring.
Couple points to clarify real quick. First, it has been 1 hour that we've been on westbound I-90. Secondly, the pepper ball is a less lethal weapon. So is the 40 millimeter. It's also commonly referred to as a rubber bullet. Lastly, you just heard the officer on the scene say that he is attempting to make contact with numbers associated with Ms. Clements.
Before again. Yeah, so we're all prepared. I'm going to get my own too then. And then I'll take over the PA on 13, just as long as we...
Yeah, you can move it up a little bit. I mean, if she backs up, she backs up. It is what it is, but we are not letting her back up. She will get stopped at that point. We're not going to let her go the wrong way on I-90. Okay. So, if she does exit out of the vehicle, I'm sure you guys have gone over this. We'll try to order her back. We're not going to have her cross this. We'll try to order her. I'm over here how to get on the ground. She does end up brandishing of the knife, running it at us. We'll go with her the 40, okay? And if it ends up being closer, if she's coming towards us, we're gonna try like the taser then, and then we'll take other options. But we'll hopefully be able to get her out and just walk back towards us. We can prone her out on the ground. I don't know how well her direction following skills are gonna be right now, though.
Okay, traveling westbound on the shoulder now.
As you just saw, Ms. Clements again drove further down westbound I-90. So officers made the decision to pin her between two squad cars to prevent any further movement.
I'm gonna be pinning this vehicle in from the front. Who's ever, I think it's Rob, you're right behind. You're gonna pin her in out of the rear. Okay?
Stand by everyone. She's just gonna drive like this.
From the view of the front squad car, you will see Ms. Clements igniting two items and tossing them into the back seat.
Maybe one with me up here.
Exit the vehicle. Yep. Exit the vehicle.
If she gets out,
You have the car
okay, and her
parked.
hands are empty and she starts coming back, me and one other jump this. We'll get her to the ground, get her in cuffs.
Open up the door, keep your hands up.
Stay back.
Don't hurt you.
Yeah. Everybody else stay back.
Hey guys, it's her vehicle's turned on fire.
Light smoke, it looks like it's fogging up on the inside. She's rolling the window down. Yeah, smoke's coming from the inside. She's rolling down.
She's got the knife to her neck. She's got the knife to her neck. Is she stabbing herself?
Moving that to her chest, can't tell if she's making any movement with it.
Okay, why don't you keep on negotiating? Oh, there's a fire going on in the vehicle, guys. There's a fire going on inside the vehicle.
Active fire in the backseat of the vehicle.
All right, we're gonna have to like extract her here. Stand by.
Hey, Chad, hold back, hold back. Chad, hold back, hold back.
I'm holding back. I'm just getting here. I'll get back over if she jumps out with the knife.
Chris, I got my foot on the brake, but
Cynthia, step out of the car for me.
Get out of the car.
Do we need a fire department out there?
Cynthia, step out of the car, Cynthia.
Step out of the car, Cynthia.
Step out of the car.
We gotta. Is that her screaming?
It's her screaming. We gotta get her.
Screaming. We gotta get the window down.
Yep. Stand by, stand by.
Stand by.
Hand forward in here.
Hands, team.
Let's go.
No.
Get out of the car.
Cynthia, step out of the car. All right, boys, this is gonna be rough here. Okay, look at the taser ready. Over here.
Taser's you want hands on.
Shield.
Hands.
Shield.
Who has the taser?
Paul's got
We have
tasers.
to get her out, boys.
You want me to smash the window?
Get the taser set.
Taser.
Get her out.
I got.
Hold on.
Let me see your hands. See your hands. Hands.
Cynthia, get out of the car.
Hey, put the knife down. Put the knife down.
The knife down!